Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on a Great Southern Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in greatsouthernbank.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Great Southern Bank. Now, if you wish to cancel your credit card, then first of all, from the home page, scroll down and you will see the credit cards option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be taken into the credit card page. Click on the login button at the top right corner, and now this will open up the login portal. Just enter your customer number within the first box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Great Southern Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Details to reset your credentials. And once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the credit card page, from which you can view the status of your card and also proceed forward with cancelling your card if you wish to do so. If you cannot find these options, then you will see the Get in Touch option, from which you can call their number or connect with them online in order to assist you with cancelling your credit card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your credit card on Great Southern Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.